Legend of the day. Nain Singh Rawat, the man who mapped the Himalayas. Namaskar. You are watching History and Forgotten Legends on One World News. I am your AI anchor, Apurva, here to bring you yet another story of an unsung Indian whose footsteps shaped the world long before the world learned his name. Today, we revisit the unbelievable journey of a man who walked thousands of kilometers across hostile terrains, icy winds, forbidden borders, and unexplored mountains. A man who mapped the roof of the world when maps didn't exist. A man whose silence, courage, and sharp memory made him a global hero, yet his story fades in the pages of forgotten history. This is the legend of Nain Singh Rawat, India-born, world-known, the explorer who gave the Himalayas an identity on the world map. In the 19th century, the world was obsessed with the mysterious lands of Tibet and the Himalayas. Rugged, remote, restricted, foreigners were not allowed. But India gave birth to a man who entered Tibet by blending in like a local. Nain Singh Rawat, a humble schoolteacher from Uttarakhand, carried within him a memory sharper than any instrument and a courage sturdier than the mountains he walked upon. Trained as a secret surveyor under the British Great Trigonometrical Survey, he became a Pandit explorer, a coded identity for Indian surveyors who risked their lives to map lands unknown to the world. Map how he became a legend. He trekked more than 5,000 kilometers across the harshest terrains on earth, from Kumon to Lhasa to the legendary trade route connecting Tibet to India. But here's the extraordinary part. Nain Singh walked with scientific precision. With every step, every breath, every heartbeat, he was mapping the world. He counted his footsteps using a rosary of 100 beads. He measured altitude by hiding thermometers in his prayer wheel. He memorized entire routes without writing a single note. He risked death every second because getting caught meant one punishment, execution. Yet he kept going. Pushpin his impact on the world, Nain Singh Rawat was the first person to determine the exact location and altitude of Lhasa, a mystery that baffled the West for centuries. His surveys helped draw the first accurate maps of heavy checkmark Tibet, heavy checkmark Upper Himalayas, heavy checkmark river systems and mountain passes, heavy checkmark the ancient trade routes of Asia. His achievements were so extraordinary that the Royal Geographical Society, London, awarded him the prestigious gold medal, calling him one of the greatest explorers of the 19th century. Glowing star, a legacy India forgot, but like many gems of our land, his story slipped into silence. His contributions shaped world geography, but his name rarely appears in textbooks. History remembers the mountains, but it forgets the man who measured them. Today, One World News remembers him, a man who proved that greatness doesn't need applause, it needs grit. Nain Singh Rawat, the quiet hero, the fearless explorer, the human compass who mapped the Himalayas for the world. This was History and Forgotten Legends. If you want us to bring more untold stories of India's forgotten heroes, do like, share, and follow One World News. I am Apurva. Until next time, keep discovering and keep remembering.